In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Remitly to a bank account in the Philippines. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're fully signed in before continuing. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown at the top of the app or website. Tap or click that country option, then select the Philippines as your receiving country. This is important because Remitly customizes the transfer options, banks, and delivery methods based on where the money is being sent. After selecting the Philippines, click Send Money to begin creating your transfer. At this point, Remitly will ask who you're sending the money to. If the recipient's contact information is already saved in your account, you can simply select that existing contact. This is the fastest option and helps avoid entering the same details again. If the person is not saved yet, choose New Contact. Then select their country, making sure it matches the destination for the transfer. This step helps Remitly set up the recipient correctly and ensures the payment is routed to the right place. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send. Take a moment here to review the amount carefully, since the transfer total may also affect fees and exchange rates. It's always a good idea to double-check the numbers before moving on so there are no mistakes. After that, choose the delivery method. Since this tutorial is specifically for sending money to a bank account in the Philippines, select Bank Account as the delivery option. You'll then be asked to choose the recipient's bank. Make sure you select the correct bank from the list, because this determines where the funds will be deposited. Once the bank is selected, choose your payment method for funding the transfer. After selecting how you want to pay, click Continue to move forward. Remitly will then ask for the recipient's bank account details. Enter the account information carefully and exactly as required on the screen. Accuracy is especially important here, since even a small typo can delay the transfer or cause it to go to the wrong account. From there, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the process. Remitly may show you a summary page where you can review the amount, delivery method, bank, and recipient details before confirming. Take a final moment to check everything, then submit the transfer. And that's how to send money from Remitly to a bank account in the Philippines.